How to restrict and unrestrict someone on Facebook Messenger. Hello everyone, my name is Smile, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can restrict and unrestrict someone on Facebook Messenger. Make sure to install the latest version of Facebook Messenger. After that you can simply open it, tap and choose the person that you want to restrict. So if I want to restrict this person, then I'll just tap on their profile, the chat that I've sent, or either the profile as well. Tap on the I section that will sit on the top right side. Now tap on the restrict option, tap on restrict here, and now you are done. The account is restricted. To unrestrict it, just tap on restrict again, and now you will be seeing the option of unrestrict right here. So it's already restricted. Tap on the three vertical lines, tap on the setting option, scroll down and down, tap on privacy and safety option, scroll down, tap on the restricted accounts. Now you will see the restricted accounts right here. Long press on the restricted accounts, again tap on the I icon and tap on the unrestrict. So that's how you can unrestrict and restrict certain account that you want to on Facebook.